about maximum 4 months, and after we go back to the city. We go back to the city after that. Tell me how I am supposed to live without you. Okay. Nobody wants to share idea. No one's. Okay, I'll keep this one for a while. Let me know. Should I put orange? Look at this orange. If I put orange, it's cool. I can use white as well. That's very cool. 1 minute. Let me do it like this. Look at that. It will be like this. You know? Blue and orange. Is it cool, blue and orange? Or should I use another color? Blue and white. What do you think? What do you think? Or don't think? Tell me how I am. So, of course, I need to use something to, I need to use nail. So I have here nail. I have to use nail for this kind of thing, because otherwise it won't hold nicely, or it will just break, and I don't want that to happen. I don't want that to happen. Okay, so now this is ready. We'll use white rather, right? White. We'll use white. White. Okay, this is cool. Right? This is cool. Isn't it cool? So last time, what did I do is that I prepare every, because I already have few already. So I have few already. So what I normally do is I mix like this, because I don't need to make a lot like this. White and one more light blue. One more light blue. Isn't it cool? Do you like it? You don't like it? You don't like it. You don't like it. My God. Selamlar, hoş geldin. Herkese nasılsınız, iyi misiniz? Which language do you speak? Türkçe. Türk var mı? Türk yok galiba. Türkler selam, hoş geldin. Tamam. Öyle oldu, gördün mü? Çok güzel. Nasıl, güzel mi? Du. Çünkü canım sıkıldım. Canım sıkıldım.
Temizlik yap.
Temizlik mi? İstemiyorum.
Yapacağız.
Hayır, istemiyorum.
Evet yapacağız tabii ki.
Hayır. Sen yap.
Allah şunu niye yapıştırdın benim?
Sen yap.
Beraber.
İstemiyorum.
Elini körü.
Elinin kürü. Okay. Because I'll show you this one. I have one. Allah. I'll show you the other one. This one I made few years ago. I made this one. And this one, look at that. Look at